Evaluating study programs. At the University of Bern, to continuously enhance and refine the range of courses offered, we frequently evaluate study programs. These evaluations gather feedback on study programs through surveys with structured questionnaires, workshops, and focus group discussions. This process enables systematic and regular assessment of the program's quality, fostering reflection and improvement. Simultaneously, these evaluations ensure compliance with legal requirements for quality assurance. The University of Bern places great emphasis on a participatory approach to program evaluations, with active involvement from both lecturers and students. For lecturers and program directors, evaluation results provide critical insights and serve as basis for decisions on the further development of the offered courses. For students, their feedback significantly contributes to the improvement of teaching quality and program development. Internal working groups, established by faculty or institute management, are responsible for organizing and coordinating the evaluations. These groups typically include the heads of institutes or departments, as well as representatives of the lecturers, mid-level staff, and students. Additionally, external peers, either from other universities or relevant professional fields, bring valuable perspectives that enrich the evaluation process. Common measures implemented based on evaluation findings include curriculum development, adjustments of lecturer-to-students ratios, enhancements in communication, optimization of infrastructure and framework conditions of teaching. The effectiveness of these measures is assessed after 3 to 4 years to ensure that improvements are sustained and impactful. In the long term, both students and lecturers benefit from their shared commitment to developing study programs. Together, they contribute to the continuous improvement of teaching quality and uphold the University of Bern's high standards.